Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you Dynatrac's fully rebuildable heavy-duty ball joints. If you guys have a truck that is known to eat up ball joints, i.e. Dodges, Dynatrac's fully rebuildable ball joints are something that you really should consider. Now, these Dynatrac ball joints, again, fully rebuildable. This is a ball joint that you're going to put in the truck that's going to last the life of the truck. And by lasting the life of the truck, I don't mean that this is going to be the last ball joint that you ever put in. It is going to be the last ball joint that you're ever going to put in, but it does have wearable portions to it. Although it is going to wear slower than your normal conventional ball joint, this is a wearable part. But we sell wear kits for these, rebuild kits, to where you can rebuild these and slap them in the truck for a lot less cost than replacing the ball joints is going to be. So let's talk about what makes this ball joint superior to other ball joints out there. So let's talk about the stem. Dynatrac says that the bread and butter of their ball joint is the heat-treated chromoly stem. This stem also has, inside of the body, has a ball bearing on it. The ball bearing is press fit on there, so once the ball joint begins to wear, the ball bearing is replaced. Now the ball bearing rides inside of the billet, one piece, again heat treated housing that Dynatrac does. The housing actually has a lining of Teflon inside of it that the stem and the bearing ride inside of the housing. Now what that gives you is gives you kind of a frictionless contact between the body and the stem bearing itself, and that's going to give you a lot better wear. It's just going to give you I guess an element of lubrication inside of there as well. Now, talking about lubrication, these ball joints do come with grease zerks on them, so they are greaseable. You don't need to put as much grease in one of these as you normally would. Couple of pumps a year, one pump a year is perfect for extending out the life of the ball joint. Now, when you buy a set of Dynatrac ball joints from us, this is what it comes in the package. I just pulled one out there to show you. This is a full set of 4, so you get an upper and lower for the front end of your truck. And make sure that you look at our year, make, and model on our website, what these fit. We have these for the common rail Dodges, 03 and up. There's a small sector of the VP44 trucks and the earlier model Dodges, Dana 60, stuff like that. And they make a lot of ball joints for the Jeeps and whatnot. So check them out on our website. We also have them for Fords as well. So one thing I want to mention about the body of these, this is a knurled body on some of these ball joints. Now what that's going to do is, if you've replaced the ball joints in your truck over time, you've probably used an emery cloth or something of that nature. Hopefully it didn't remove any material from it, but if you did, Scotch-Brite pad, if it's removed some material from removal and installation of it, these are knurled. So this knurled ball joint, when you go in, that's the last time that you're going to have to do that. It's going to take up that slack inside of the yoke, and you're going to just have a better press fit there. Now when these are rebuildable, or as these are rebuildable, this is done by removing this while it's on the truck, so you don't have to drive it out. You don't have to press this out. All you have to do is take the centerpiece out of this, and the stem will drop out of it, and you get your rebuild kit, put it back together. You can do it all while it's on the truck. Don't need to repress it out. So that's going to save you a lot of time, which is really nice. I definitely would suggest this. If you ever look on our website, we have a really good video that was done by Dynatrac that shows the differences between a stock ball joint or a normal aftermarket ball joint and the HD ball joints from Dynatrac. You can see that one of the cushion points inside of the ball joint, for lack of a better word, is a piece of plastic that comes in these ball joints. And as you have the travel of the truck, the up and down of the front axle, it beats against that plastic insert, and that's what causes your slack, for lack of a better word, again, inside of the ball joint, and that's where you get the looseness, and then you're going to get bad wear of your tires, bad drivability of the truck, so many things. Ball joint is very important to your overall drivability and steerability of your truck. You guys that have trucks that have these on the front end, you all know the importance of these. This is a little bit more of an expensive upgrade for your truck, but I promise you it's one of the best upgrades that you will do. If you have a question about Dynatrac ball joints or any other Dynatrac products, please give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel. We're going to link you inside this video where you can buy the Dynatrac ball joints for your vehicle. Thanks for watching.